Yo, what's going on? My piston came in for my 125. Yes, I got new mirror. I know some of y'all gonna give me some shit about that, but the reason I got new mirror is because Wise Coast pistons are forged. Most of you already know, and I feel like a forged piston is gonna give you more wear on your cylinder. I rather have my piston wear before my cylinder. But anyways, that's none of y'all's worry. It's mine. Um, Getting ready to put this piston in, and I'll let y'all know when I get back. I have the new top end on. Um, Only thing I'm concerned about is the power valve adjustment. I'm not quite sure on that. Maybe I'll get it looked at, but I'm about to hook a gas tank to the bike and see what she does. I don't have the gas tank that comes with this bike, but I'm just gonna hook anyone to it to see what it does. Turn the gas on, see what she does. First start in 3 years. Choke. So I pulled the spark plug boot off because I don't have a kill switch as of right now. As y'all seen, that shocked me pretty good. But I'm just amazed at this motor being a 1991 and not being started in over 3 years. Put a piston and rings in her and she started right up. So next step, the gas tank, pipe, and plastics, and because I have the throttle and the clutch cable and everything else coming in, possibly hook the radiator up this weekend, see how that works. But yeah, she's a work in progress. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.